Next up, we have something less depressing. It's not something we all really going to do. No one's be there. Anyway, please enjoy it. We'll give them a few seconds. Alright. Tutor. Right here. It goes on the phone. The exits. You can't refund the ticket, right? The tickets are sold to the SU, and all requests for today. So we'll deny all your refund requests, alright? Pay attention. Are you guys ready? Good? Alright, please enjoy. Oh, it's not scripted. The Unsupervised.
Sorry. Why do I literally have to run across country just to get the tutorial? We are basically on the other side of London.
Oh look, there's the portico.
Oh no. Please tell me we are not late.
Either we're early or something is very, very wrong.
Well, my timetable says Theoretical Cosmology, room 829, 11 AM. Must be the tutorial.
Yeah.
It's even underlined.
Yeah, but that's here. This is room A29.
Yes? And it was 11 AM.
Oh, hello there.
Why aren't you panicking?
Well, because either the tutor's late, or we're early, or time is an illusion. Either way, I've already done the work.
Of course you have done.
Look, you do all realise the tutor's just probably not going to come. You know, we can just leave.
Leave? You are kidding, right? I ran half a mile for this. I haven't come here for nothing.
Wait, has anyone else arrived?
No, just us.
Then how about we just do it ourselves? What could go wrong?
The tutorial. With no adult supervision.
But we are adults.
Whatever, I mean,
Hold on. We can't just...
Charlie, you are tutor, welcome to the tutorial. And we are students.
Whatever. Right. Fine, what are we going over first?
Everything after question 2.
Everything, including question 2. I thought that was philosophy until yesterday, and I'm still convinced that it isn't.
Right then. Okay, well, I suppose the key idea with question 2 is... Right. Basically, we have to show the universe is expanding because the distance between galaxies increases over time.
Yes, that's the universe is expanding thing. I know that one.
Okay, the universe is growing, so what?
Yes, but, see, these galaxies are stationary in their own space. Rather, it's space itself that's stretching.
So, they are moving apart, but they also don't move? Oh, great. It's a superposition.
Don't bring quantum mechanics into this.
What? No, think of it like this. Dot on the surface of a balloon. You blow it up, you know, the balloon expands, but the dots are on the same position on the surface, even though the space between them is increasing.
But why does it matter for the question?
Okay. See, question 2 asks you to derive Hubble's law. The speed at which a galaxy appears to move away is proportional to its distance.
So the farther you are away, the faster you move.
Well, only because space itself is pushing you.
That's somehow worse.
But hold on. If space is stretching, doesn't that mean that we are also stretching?
No. Objects of this scale are not affected.
So that's not why I don't fit into my jeans anymore.
No.
Well, that's all well and good, but what's the answer?
Well, the answer is the observed redshift shows that the galaxies are moving away, which implies an expanding universe, which implies space is stretching, which implies...
that we are all part of some giant cosmic yoga class?
No, Taylor. It implies Hubble's law and that the universe has a beginning.
Great, so the universe had a birth, so it'll probably have a death.
Yes, Swims. The heat death of the universe, to be precise. Anyway, on to question 3.
Oh no.
We're doomed.
It's fine. It's just question 2, but with more algebra.
More algebra? That's like more calories. It's not necessary.
It is necessary. Redshift is related to scale factors. The ratio between the scale factors now and then.
You can have a ratio of scale factors.
Well, yes, it tells you how much the universe has expanded over time.
I feel like we are being lied to.
But we are being lied to by our intuition.
My intuition is always right.
No, your intuition is optimistic at best.
That's a nice way of saying you're wrong.
Right, anyway, question 4. We need to integrate the Friedmann equation.
Wait, what?
How did we go from the universe expands to integrate the whatever you said?
Well, that's just how it works.
Okay, what is this? Whatever his names you called equation.
Well, basically, it's the equation that describes the dynamics of the universe.
Sounds like a dramatic soap opera.
Right, anyway, on to the first Friedmann equation.
What does the little a mean there?
The scale factor, like we mentioned before.
Why is it lowercase though? And why a? Why not s? Why not anything else?
Well, physics is emotionally inconsistent.
Oh, that is why I didn't want to study it.
This is why I wanted to study it.
Anyway, next question. We have to find the age of the universe.
Oh. The age. Yes. No, easy. 14 billion years. I know that one.
Yes, but how do you get that answer?
I don't want to know.
No, you shouldn't. See, if we assume constant expansion, the age is roughly the inverse of Hubble's constant.
So the universe age is just 1 over Hubble's constant? Okay, that's manageable. I can get behind that.
Well, see, that's the estimate, right? If you want to be more accurate, you need to account for deceleration and acceleration.
So we're technically not done yet.
No, you really aren't ever
This
done
is why
it.
I hate time.
So Oh, no, wait, that's it.
Why does it feel like we just survived the war?
Well, because you were mentally unprepared.
Charlie, are you sure you're not the tutor?
I'm sure.
Then why has nobody ever explained things like that?
Well, tutors assume you've done the reading.
That's elitist.
I actually feel smarter. I mean, why isn't every tutorial like this?
Suppose they are tutorials. Even if you attend the lectures, you'll only understand maybe 10% of the content, if you are lucky.
Actually, yeah. And then you get questions on them as if you've been studying the subject since
Right.
birth and already have a PhD.
I did hear that, you know.
Who are you?
Chaplain, your new tutor,
Charlie's the tutor.
Charlie.
They made me do it.
Right, carry on.
Actually, we've just finished.
Excellent. Can I see your work?
Sure.
What on earth? I don't understand any of this.
Is that bad?
It's professionally alarming.
But Charlie explained it.
Charlie explained this.
Well, yes.
Okay, full disclosure, I'm only a PhD student.
Which part are you stuck on?
All of it after question 2.
Right. And you said you were a PhD student.
Well, let's not dwell on the labels. Anyway, I suppose congratulations are in order.
Wait, hold on. Why are you so late? The trial is basically over now.
Actually, you're early. It's just about to start.
But it starts at 11. Look.
No, it starts at 12. 11 was when you were meant to go to your group project presentation.
A presentation?
For theoretical cosmology.
That makes up 50% of the module.
The very same. You're all part of the same group, aren't you?